Hello, welcome to yet another session. Now we go to find out how Casio is being dismissed from the service. Othello has poisoned by Iago. What is now going to happen? What was the consequence between the fight between Rodrigo and Mondano and plus Casio that made a lot of confusion and commotion. Now they are going to be discussed how Iago now promotes Casio, how you can approach Othello, and find more reinstatement of your position. Iago now promotes Casio how to act. Casio, I will rather see you to be despised than to deceive so good as a commander who so slight, so drunken and indiscreet. Means what? Casio now feels that ashamed during the time of work, during the time of duty. An employee should not drink alcohol. Now I am too much ashamed of myself, Casio reports. With so light, so drunken and indiscreet, indiscreet. That means what here? Indiscreet, unwise. It is very unwise to drink alcohol during the time of job. An officer drunk, that is a sin. That is a great mistake that I have done. As and speak, parrot and squabble and swagger and swear. He realized his mistake. I should not talk like a parrot. Means what? Repeating same words. Some people can be easily identified where they have taken drinks because they are talking will be repeating. So Casio understood, I should not act like that because I am a very honorable person in the land of Cyprus. Swear and discourse and fasting with one's own shadow, O thou invisible spirit of wine. Underline, the spirit becomes a devil. What is spirit? Alcohol becomes a devil. So Casio calls spirit. What is spirit? Alcohol. You are an invisible power. We cannot easily find your power, how you work out in the brain and the blood. So underline, thou invisible spirit, if thou hast no name to be known by, let us call you the devil, because you brought me defamation, you brought me disreputation. So let me call you, you are a devil. നീ ഒരു പിശാചാണ്, നീ ഒരു അദൃശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്പിരിറ്റാണ്. So you really cheated me. I should not drink during the time of duty, but I took. And you are an invisible spirit who may, and let me call you, you are a devil that you put me in troubles. What was he? Who was he thou you followed with your sword? My lord, let me ask you, Iago asking, who was the real person who you are going with a sword to attack somebody? Who was that? What had he done to you? അവൻ എന്താണ് നിന്നോട് ചെയ്തത്? I know act means I have no idea. It is possible, Casio, I remember a mass of things. Casio reporting Iago. There was a total confusion. There was a total problem, a total commotion. But nothing distinctly means not really clear. Means what? Who really started the fight? Who really began to talk very bad language? That not sure. I don't remember. A really quarrel became, but nothing wherefore. Oh God, that man should put an enemy in their mouth. Cassio telling, it is in front of me. My enemy is in front of me. Then what did I do? What should I do? I took my sword and began to fight. To steal away from their brains, we should join, revel, pleasure, and applause, transform ours to the beast. We should transform ourselves. Mr. Iago, you understand. Those whoever may be the enemies in front of me, our duty to fight. A person was there who began to attack me with abusive words. And even Mondano was, going to fight with me. So I took my sword and began to fight. Iago, but you are now well enough. How came you this recovered? Actually, you did some problems, but now you are okay. Now you have recovered from the problems. It hath pleased the devil drunkenness to give me. Cassio telling, it was alcohol who made me like that. Place the devil wrath and unperfectness, weakness. Shows me another to make me frankly despise myself. What does it mean? Cassio reporting, my dear Iago, you gave me a peg of drinks, alcohol. That alcohol might have been a type of a devil acted on my brain that made me do this type of duty. Iago, come on, you are now too severe a moraler. Moral means moralist. As the time, the place, the condition of this country stands. Mr. Iago, Mr. Cassio, you should understand our country is passing through a very problematic situation. Cyprus is now under the threatening power of Turks. Turks already now devastated and they went back. But at any time they can come and attack us. So our country is marching through a very, very troublesome routes. So you should be very cautious. I could hardly this hand to be befallen since it is meant to your own good. Iago recommending, Cassio, you should be very responsible because you are given duty. But in the mind of Iago, one day or another day, I will teach you a lesson. Cassio, I will ask him my place again. Cassio now realizing his all drinks and spirit gone. Now asking Iago, what must I do? ഇനി ഞാൻ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യമെങ്കിലും അവൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പോയി റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ വിൽ ഹി ഗീവ് മീ വൺ മോർ ചാൻസ്? ലെഫ്റ്റനൻ്റ് പോസ്റ്റിൽ ഇനിയും എന്നെ ഒന്ന് ഇരുത്തൂ അവൻ? Can I go? I will ask Othello for my place again, lieutenant post again. He shall tell me I am a drunkard. Sometimes he would call me a drunkard. ഞാൻ ഭയങ്കര ഒരു കുടിയനാണെന്ന് ഒരു പക്ഷേ Othello പറയും. But not to worried. Had I so mouse, so Hydra as another would stop them. Hydra, underline, that is an illusion. And a Greek mythological god who has 9 heads. From the 9 heads, different activities Hydra doing. But now sensible men by men fool and presently beast. Every unordinate copies an unblessed one. Cassio totally realized even cup of drink, what you call alcohol, would make a devilish person. Ingredients is a devil, that I am sure. Whenever we take more and alcohol, liquor, means we will lose our control. Iago telling Cassio, come, good wine is good familiar. But Iago on the other hand reporting Cassio, don't worry, every man should take at least 1 or 2 peg every day because it would give more familiarity. we would get a more chance to communicate ourselves. It will be as well exclaimed no more against his good lieutenant. I think I love you. Means what? Underline. I think you also think I love you. Means what? I think I love you. You think I love you. Means what? You really know my character. I am ready. So underline. I think you think I love you. I think you think, both of us think ourselves, we love each other. As you, I have well approved it, sir. I know it. That is why once you gave me a peg of liquor, I took. Because you love me, that I know. I appreciate you. Iago, so listen to me carefully what you should do. Now, Iago wants to give more advices. How can he escape from these troubles and get his lieutenant post once again? Iago saying, any man living may be drunk at some time. According to Iago, every man in the world will take at least once in a day. A peg of drinks or alcohol liquor is a must for a man. I'll tell you what you shall do. Underline. I will tell you what you should do. I will give you a chance what you should do. Our general's wife is now the general. Underline. According to Iago, real general is Desdemona now. Means what? It is the nuptial days after marriage. Othello will obey whatever Desdemona tells. So, Desdemona is the real general of Cyprus now. Means what? ഇപ്പം കല്യാണം കഴിഞ്ഞേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവൾ പറയുന്ന എന്തും യവൻ കേൾക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് നീ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യൂ. ഡെസ്റ്റിമോണയെ കയ്യിലെടുക്കാൻ നോക്കൂ. ഡെസ്റ്റിമോണയുടെ അടുത്ത് പോയിട്ട് നീ നിൻ്റെ കാര്യം പറയൂ. ഈസി ആയിട്ട് കാര്യം നടക്കും. Iago is very malignant, cunning fellow. So once Cassio reaches Desdemona's presence, that time Iago will show the look now what is going to happen. This is the malignancy of our Iago. So do one thing. ഇപ്പോൾ ശരിക്കും ആര് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒതല്ലോ കേൾക്കും. ഡെസ്റ്റിമോണ പറഞ്ഞാൽ കേൾക്കും. വൈ? ന്യൂലി മാരീഡ്. സോ വെരി കണ്ണിങ് Iago. I tell you what you shall do. Our general's wife is now the general. Now the real general who rules Cyprus is not Othello. Desdemona rules our country. I may say so in this respect, for that he has give up himself to the contemplation, mark and denouement. Whatever her contemplation, since newly married, Othello will adhere, Othello will obey, Othello will execute whatever Desdemona commands. So it will be easy not to reach him directly, Othello. We will approach Desdemona for our reinstatement. Confess yourself free to her. Underline, confess. നീ അവളെ കാണുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സ് തുറന്ന് നിന്റെ വിഷമം പറയൂ. Confess your problems. Importunate her, she will put you in your place again. I am damn sure. Once you tell your problems, Desdemona will find a solution to put you in the post of lieutenancy. She is so free. Desdemona is so free. Free means generous. Desdemona is so generous, so kind, and so apt. Apt means here willing and ready to do anything for you. So, according to Iago, this girl, Desdemona is very, very kind and generous. and she will do anything for you. Apt so blessed and disposition nature, that she holds it a wise in her goodness, not do more than she is requested. What is the meaning? Whatever we demand from Desdemona, she has a practice or she has a character that she would give access of it. So we ask 100 rupees, she will give you 200. So such a generous person, our Desdemona is. So Cassio, listen to my words and you go to her first and talk your problems. This brawl between you and her husband entreat her to splendor. My fortunes against the lay of worth, naming the crack of your love shall grow stronger than it was before. I know you know I love you. I know you know, or you think I love you. In the sense that once you open your mind, this lady of Cyprus or Desdemona would love you and would give you anything what you demand. Such a generous person, kind person, lovable person is she. Go stronger than it was before. You advise me well. What Cassio says, I take your advice in a proper sense. Okay, I will do it. Iago, I protest in the sincerity of love and honest kindness. I declare, because I love you very much. I give you this direction because I love you too much. So, better you go to indirect way, catching Desdemona first and tell your problems. These problems will be solved by her recommendation. By Othello. I think it freely, I protest. I think it freely, and betimes in the morning will I beseech virtuous Desdemona. Okay, my dear Iago, Cassio admitted. Tomorrow early morning I will go to her. After the bed means after sleep, I will go to her and talk to her. I will meet virtuous Desdemona. Definitely, my dear friend, I will go and meet Desdemona in the morning itself. To undertake for me, I am desperate of my fortunes. Underline the statement. I am desperate of my fortunes. Why? Why? He is dismissed from the service. So it was a post of reputation. It was a post of lieutenant. So now he became a common man. So he says, I am totally despair. Desperate means despair. Desperate means frustrate. Frustrate means sad. Sad means what I find myself unworthy. Means what? Totally exasperated means what? I don't know what will be my future. I don't know what all the people would think me. So I am going to meet Desdemona early morning to undertake my case because I am very sad. My fortunes lost. If they check me here, Iago, you are the right person. Very good. You listen my advice, go, and good night, my dear Cassio, lieutenant. I must to the watch. I am going to do my some duty. Hey Cassio, you go and watch the area. Then you are the right person. Do as I talk to you. Good night, honest Iago. Then Cassio leaves the stage. Iago in an soliloquy manner. No one is there on the stage. What Iago now plans on the next stage. Now let us wait and see in the next class. Thank you.